Today we're going to talk about Pyke's integrity test services. When a filter is sent in for testing, or if we are testing on site, we must first establish what type of test is required by the customer and the test parameters stated by the filter manufacturer. Determining if a sterilizing grade filter is integral can be done via non-destructive integrity testing. The test parameters for sterilizing grade membrane filters are based on correlating the test parameters with the LRV of the filter against a 10 to the 7 CFU per centimetre squared challenge, Prevendemonis diminutua. The filter cartridges are tested by industry standard procedures as recommended in the PDA Technical Report 26. The test parameters are dependent on the surface tension of the wetting fluid to be used. Pyke can carry out and advise on the following integrity test procedures: bubble point, water intrusion test, forward flow diffusion. Test parameters. The test parameters that are required can vary depending on the type of test. The parameters that are required are the pressure test, the wetting liquid, whether it's IPA or IPM water, the bubble point, the max diffusive flow, but all this information can be got from the manufacturer's validation guide. Upstream volume. In the case of a WIT or diffusive flow test, we would also need to establish the upstream volume, but this is something that we have to do ourselves. There are two options for doing this. Where the upstream volume is small, we use the test equipment to measure the upstream volume. But when on site, we must establish the upstream volume using a method of filling the system and measuring the difference between the top of the filter and the top of the sanitary vent. This is done using a pressure vessel, laboratory scale and a calibrated pressure sensor. Full details can be found on our website on the Pyke SOP 32. Once we have established all this information, we are then in a position to put the data into the tester and run a test. So now we'll do a diffusive flow test using a 0.2 PTFE OptiSeal. Again, we wet the filter appropriately with 70-30 IPM water. Insert the filter into the housing. Close tightly. Attach our filling valve and our pressure sensor. The probe has already been preloaded onto the tester and is now ready to go. It's now just a matter of starting the test. The test takes 20 minutes, and at the end a result is printed stating whether the filter has passed or not.